Hello, now let's talk about the means of transport. Means of transport. We use means of transport to go from one place to another place. At the beginning, en los tiempos primitivos, las personas no tenían ningún medio de transporte de los que conocemos hoy en día. Es por esto que su única forma de desplazarse de un lugar a otro era caminando. So first people go on foot everywhere. They only have to walk to arrive to the destiny. Then they start using animals, for example, the horse, to go by carriage. Carriage, this is a carriage to transport food and many goods, many products, many goods by carriage. After the invention of the wheel, this is the wheel, we invented the wheel, and then because of the technology, it changes and became an essential tool for the transportation. The first type of transportation is land means of transport. Land means of transport. For example, all of these are land means of transport. The land means of transport is the transportation on streets, roads, and avenues. All of these are land means of transport. They go on the avenues, on the roads, and on the streets. These are examples of land means of transport. For example, bicycle, motorbike, bus, car, minibus, train, truck. These are means of transportation: bicycle, motorbike, bus, car, minibus, train, truck. These are land means of transport. Land means of transport. Bicycle, that is an individual transport. Motorbike, there is a personal transport. Bus, that is a mass transport. Car, that is a personal transport. Minibus, that is a mass transport. Train, there is a mass transport. And truck, that is a cargo transport. Bicycle, individual transport. Motorbike, personal transport. Bus, mass transport. Car, personal transport. Minibus, mass transport. Train, mass transport. And truck, cargo transport. These are land means of transport. Land because goes on streets, roads, and avenues. Now we have the activity. You have to choose four of these land means of transport. Four. For example, the bicycle, the train, the bus, and the car. Four, just four. Vamos a elegir 4 de estos medios de transporte. Vamos a dibujarlos. Vamos a escribir sus respectivos nombres. Por ejemplo, si yo elijo la bicicleta, so I will draw a bicycle, voy a hacer el dibujo en I will ride bicycle y voy a escribir bicycle. Además voy a clasificarlo según si es transporte masivo, si es transporte personal, si es transporte de carga o si es un transporte individual. For example, the bicycle is the individual transport. Entonces escribo bicycle y escribo individual transport. Y así con cada uno de los medios de transporte que elijo.